Welcome. The following is a step-by-step guide to preparing and using DenteShield Primer. Step 1. Prophy the enamel surface. Be sure to use only oil-free prophy paste. Rinse thoroughly. Dry teeth with oil-free and moisture-free compressed air. Step 2. Etch using etching agent. Dispense or apply etching agent of choice following related instructions. Give special attention to etching a larger labial surface. Step 3. Rinse. Rinse each tooth with copious amounts of water for 10 seconds to stop the etching process and to remove demineralization particles. Dry teeth thoroughly. Step 4. Apply primer. With a brush, apply a thin uniform layer of primer to the entire surface of each tooth's etched enamel. Step 5. Cure. Apply adhesive to bracket and bond. Curing of both the DenteShield orthodontic primer and bracket adhesive can be done simultaneously with approximately 20 seconds of curing time on each tooth. Curing times depend on the intensity of curing light. We hope this guide was helpful.